Okay, so you can see it came out pretty good. So that's the first roughing as far as the chamfer goes. You can see it is pretty rough, but it's looking pretty good. I got a problem which I hope gets corrected with the upcoming finishing pass. And if you notice here, the top surface is really nice and smooth, nice and smooth, nice and smooth. This one, the end mill, the ball end milled right into the top surface. What that is that's the arch of the board. So dimensional lumber's not dimensional lumber. So actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this. The next toolpath calls for a real fine 1/8 ball end mill. So I'm going to take this guy off. End mill holder, and put this guy on. Got it. So now I got to set up the Z dimension again, calibrate it to 0, and pretty much run the next toolpath. So I'll check back in. This is the toolpath we're getting ready to run. This is the one that's over 3 hours long. So hopefully these real fine resolution pitches will actually smooth this out better. So we'll see.